Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to turn off the thumbnail autoplay previews that load when you're hovering over thumbnails on YouTube, and then I'll show you how to disable it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on YouTube channel. So once na-open na natin ang ating YouTube channel, and then bago tayo mag-proceed ay ipapakita ko muna sa inyo na nagpi-play yung ating thumbnail autoplay previews. So kapag clinic mo dito yung mouse, pag clinic mo ganito yung ating mga videos ay nagpi-play po siya. So makikita nyo guys na nagpi-play po yung ating mga thumbnails dito. Alright, kung paano ba natin ito i-turn off? So all you have to do is to click on the YouTube profile dito lang sa top right corner. So click mo lang yan. And next step ay scroll down and select mo lang dito yung settings. At dito lang sa left side menu, and kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung playback and performance. So click mo lang yan. At dito sa right side ay scroll down, and then dito lang sa browsing ay kailangan mo lang i-turn off or i-disable mo tong video previews will play when you hover over thumbnails. So kung paano ba ito i-disable or i-turn off, so click mo lang yung button niya and your changes has been saved. Alright, so na-turn off na natin, and then back lang tayo dito sa ating YouTube channel and titignan natin kung talagang na-turn off na siya. And then click mo lang dito yung ating videos. Ayan. And then check natin. Okay, so makikita nyo guys na hindi na nag-autoplay yung ating thumbnails na preview. Okay, so ganito siya. So hindi na siya nag-play kapag inano natin yung ating mouse dito. Okay, pag tinapat natin dito. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to turn off YouTube thumbnail autoplay preview. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.